Stewart stayed second. They lead the starting line. Tony Stewart's trying to get there. He did it. 377.7, 329 miles an hour. Stewart now a two-time winner on the season. His first two-wide victory. They both left in the 40s. And my goodness, what a rock-solid day. It was the best car on the property. He was the best driver on the property.
And a big hug between the finals racers here at Chicago. Tony Stewart's going to look over that time slip, and he's going to see that reaction time that he improved on here in this final. And Tony, you told me that you had to stay in your lane. I want you to take that Wally right there.
Thank you.
We talked prior to this final round, and you told me that getting the monkey of that first one off of your back, that you no longer have to prove anything to anyone. You are the points leader. You're holding your second Wally in 3 races. What does this prove to your competitors?
Well, you got to believe we're real now at this point. I mean, I wouldn't have said it till today. I mean, I've said all along, and I even said it after Vegas, we're making progress. We're not where we need to be yet, but it's hard to be the point leader and not sit there and think you're a contender now. So very grateful. Neil Straussbaugh, Mike Domagala, Phil Schuler, the entire Funny Car team, the whole Top Fuel team, obviously, Renai, Dodge, Direct Connection, Code 3 and Associates, Rush Truck Centers, just everybody that's a part of this program. We got so many great partners that it is awesome. So it's just nice we got a consistent race car and we can be in these positions again.
Why is this one emotional?
Shit, who doesn't like winning? You always want to win. Yes!
Right here, Tony.